In this video, we will learn how to install PyAutoGUI and also see a simple example of its use. PyAutoGUI let us write Python script from which we can control the mouse and keyboard to automate interaction with other applications. So first we need to install it. We can use this Python 3 command with pip. We can type Python 3 -m pip, and then we need to install PyAutoGUI. So it's gonna be install PyAutoGUI. I already installed it, so just hit enter, and after the installation we can check if it's installed by typing Python 3 and import using import and then PyAutoGUI, and if there are no errors then everything is fine. Now I'm going to exit from here and write a simple script auto.py. Now I'm going to import PyAutoGUI, and then we'll get the size of our monitor. That will be our width and height, and then we can get this by calling PyAutoGUI dot size. And now I'm going to get the XY position of the mouse. I will name it mouse X and mouse Y. We can get this by calling PyAutoGUI dot position, and after this I'm going to print mouse X position and mouse Y position. To keep it simple, I'm just gonna do this, and then I'm going to add an alert box so we can see how it looks. PyAutoGUI dot alert, and in this alert box I will add some message such as this is alert box, and that's it. Just need to save it and test our script. Now I can run my script by typing Python 3 and the name of my script, that is auto.py, and just hit enter. And you can see the XY position of the mouse over here, and now this alert box and the message in the alert box. This is the alert box. So this is a simple way to use PyAutoGUI. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. A Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.